On a lot of these Buells, on all of mine, I have always had this issue, and I never had thought to share this, but some people have. They always talk about just getting rid of these things. It's for the front brake light switch. All it is just this little bitty button right here that opens up that little bitty clasp. There's a little connector in there. That's all it is. A lot of people, you know, the front lights don't work, or the front, when they squeeze the front brake handle, their brake lights don't work. And so they just toss this. But this is a simple, easy repair. This is the back, or the bottom of it. So if you look on the bottom, you're gonna see those two holes that are open. Leave those alone. But the other three holes that you can see, that one, and this one. Just take a little bitty drill bit. Don't drill it all the way through. All you're doing is just drilling out the weld cap for the plastic weld. Drill that out. You can get some shavings out of it like that. Pop off the back, and then you just take a little bit of sandpaper. I got like, I don't know, 1000 grit. You slide it in between the connectors. Push the button to open up the connector. I just got a little piece of sandpaper, fold it in half, and you just place this, open it up, place your sandpaper in there, and just wiggle it back and forth until you scratch off the corrosion, and I guarantee it'll work again. It's a real simple connector. Well, anyways, I hope that helps.